Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at another problem here. So, again, this integral right here can't be found using any other means we've learned throughout the year, whether it be U sub or any other technique, okay? So, we're going to go ahead and try this inverse trig stuff, see if this works out, and obviously it looks to be in this format because I don't see a square root. So, first step is, what is my a, what is my u? So again, the a is a constant term, the u is the variable term. With this, sometimes that might be switched around, so this could be written as 16x squared plus 5, but still, the u would be referring to the variable, okay, no matter what order it comes in. Up here it has to be in this order because of the minus, I guess. But anyways, you guys, so a squared is equal to 5. So that means that a would be equal to square root of 5. Okay, again, a squared is equal to 5, so that means that a is equal to square root of 5. And, because if you square root of 5, you get 5, okay? And u is equal to, okay, so u squared is equal to 16x squared, so that means u would be equal to 4x, because if I squared that, I would get 16x squared. So then I need to check to make sure that on top is my du. So I'm going to take the derivative, and I end up getting the derivative of 4x is 4 dx. So when I look on top, I do not have 4, I have 1 essentially. There's nothing there, so the 1, it would kind of be like an invisible 1 in front of that dx. So I need a 4 there in order to apply this formula. It doesn't work unless it's set up as it's supposed to be set up. So I'm going to use the same idea that I did with my natural log stuff when I was trying to manipulate. And the only thing I can multiply by is 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply by 4 over 4 on the outside, which is equal to 1. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this top 4, I'm going to bring it inside. Okay, and I'm going to cheat a little bit and erase. So make this a 1/4 here and a 1. So you can see, you have a 1/4 and a 4. Those cancel out to make no change. But, okay, it's now set up for me in a way that I can go ahead and, apply this formula because it's set up how it's supposed to be. And remember, I was able to bring that 4 in because the 4 is a constant. I cannot do that with variables. I could not bring an x inside or outside. Only a constant. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, okay, I'm going to apply my formula. So the 1/4 out here just goes along for the ride, so I'll just put that here. Okay. And now my formula says it's 1 over a, so a is square root of 5. It's 1 over square root of 5. And then it's inverse tangent of u over a. So u is 4x, a is square root of 5, so it's going to be 4x over square root of 5. Okay. Close out my parentheses, put a plus c, and that's my antiderivative. I, of course, could distribute this 1/4 times this, make it 1 over 4 square root of 5. It would be the same thing, but there's my antiderivative of that function.